हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। चलिए गाइस, इस वीडियो में हम लोग सीखते हैं मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम एनालिसिस। ये क्या होता है मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम एनालिसिस एंड कैसे काम करता है। उससे पहले मैं आपको दिल से धन्यवाद बोलना चाहता हूँ। गाइस, आप लोग सब लोग मिलके 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं एंड इसके लिए मैं आपको दिल से धन्यवाद बोलना चाहता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच आपके लिए। एंड आपका सपोर्ट ऐसे ही बने रखे, हम लोग आगे बहुत सारे अचीव करेंगे माइलस्टोन्स। ये छोटा माइलस्टोन है, ये एक छोटे यूट्यूबर के लिए बड़ा माइलस्टोन है। एंड जब 1K सब्सक्राइबर्स होगा तब उससे भी बड़ा माइलस्टोन होगा। चलिए अभी मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम एनालिसिस में आते हैं। देखो गाइस, अभी मैं जाके लाइव में एक्सप्लेन नहीं करने वाला हूँ क्या है मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम, क्योंकि मैंने आपको प्रॉमिस किया था मैंने प्रीमियम कंटेंट दूंगा। इसलिए मैं क्या करूँगा, जो मेरा मेंटरशिप का वीडियो है, जो ओरिजिनल वीडियो, उसी को मैं इधर पेस्ट करने वाला हूँ। अभी जो मैंने इसको बात को ख़त्म करूँगा वो वीडियो प्ले होगा, उसको आप देखो, ध्यान से देखो पूरा, क्योंकि मैंने प्रॉमिस किया था वो प्रॉमिस मैं उस पे टिके होने रहना चाहता हूँ। उसी वीडियो का भी प्ले करने वाला हूँ। उससे पहले एक अपडेट है। देखो, अभी हम लोग मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम एनालिसिस ज़्यादा ये मेरा इंडिकेटर कर देते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने इंडिकेटर बिल्ड किया, मेरा हाथों से बिल्ड किया है। ये पूरा स्ट्रक्चर कुछ भी हो, ये मैनुअली मार्क ऑटोमेटिकली मार्क करके देता है। आप देख सकते हो ब्रेकअप स्ट्रक्चर, इंड्यूसमेंट, सब कुछ ये ऑटोमेटिकली आता है। लेकिन जो मैंने वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया तब ये इंडिकेटर बिल्ड नहीं हुआ था, तब वो मैं सब कुछ मैनुअली मार्क करता था। लेकिन जो अभी है ना, ये ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाता है सब कुछ, क्योंकि हम लोग इंडिकेटर बिल्ड कर चुके हैं। ठीक है। एंड आपको अगर किसी को इंडिकेटर के बारे में इंटरेस्ट है तो आप टेक्स्ट कर सकते हो, आपको मिल जाएगा। ठीक है। एंड देखो, ये है आयर लो, सब कुछ ऑटोमेटिक आ जाता है। एंट्री कैंडल के बाद एंट्री कैंडल भी आ जाता है एंड लिक्विडिटी सब कुछ आ जाता है। ठीक है। आई होप आपको समझ में आया होगा। चलिए अभी मैं वीडियो प्ले करता हूँ एंड वीडियो को देखो। आपको जो भी डाउट होगा आप कमेंट कर सकते हो। अगर उधर कमेंट में भी आपका डाउट क्लियर नहीं हुआ, आप जो हम लोग मंडे से अगेन लाइव स्टार्ट करेंगे उस पर आप लाइव में आके कमेंट कर सकते हो। मैं आपका लाइव जो भी होगा फ्री में सॉल्व करके दूंगा। एंड उधर भी नहीं तो कमेंट टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में आके, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा, उधर आके ज्वाइन होकर मुझे डाउट भी पूछ सकते हैं। मैं उधर आके आपका डाउट सॉल्व करूँगा। आई होप आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा। देखो, जो मैंने वीडियो अभी डालने वाला हूँ वो निफ्टी में रिकॉर्ड हुआ है, क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ निफ्टी में काम करता था एंड अभी हम लोग गोल्ड में काम कर रहे हैं। देखो, ऐसा नहीं कि वो निफ्टी में किया था गोल्ड में काम नहीं करेगा। देखो, वो कॉन्सेप्ट सब में काम करता है, निफ्टी हो, गोल्ड हो, बिटकॉइन हो, यूएस मार्केट हो, कोई भी हो। वो 10 साल के बाद भी काम करेगा, 10 साल पीछे भी काम करता था, आगे भी काम करेगा एंड प्रेजेंट भी काम करेगा। आप चाहे तो लिख के रखना, कभी भी काम करता है। वही चीज़ें चलते हैं मार्केट में, वही चलने वाला है। एंड या दैट्स इट। आप वीडियो जाके वीडियो देखो, कंप्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड करो। एंड अगर हम लोग उससे जैसे कि अभी 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स कंप्लीट किए, जैसे कि 200 करते हैं और एक मैं वीडियो रिलीज़ करूँगा, ऐसे ऐसे चलते चलते सारे सारे प्रीमियम कंटेंट के वीडियो रिलीज़ करूँगा। आई होप आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा। तो चलिए गाइस, वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Hi guys, welcome again. In this video, we are going to learn about importance of multi-time frame. So guys, importance of multi-time frame means we are going to understand multiple time frame analysis. That means you can see just by name itself it's suggesting that it is understanding about multiple time frames. That means it is a game of time frame, guys. See, market is doing technical analysis is nothing but game of time frame. But doing for investing purpose, you should understand company's fundamentals and all. But in the if you see in the technical only, it is all about time frames only, because whenever you see in the market there are multiple time frames like 1 day time frame, 1 month time frame, 1 second time frame, 1 minute time frame, and 1 night time frame, like that. You should understand that market has given respect to every time frame from 1 second time frame to up to 1 month time frame. See, this is 1 day time frame, this is 1 night time frame, and same, this is 1 night time frame, this is 15-minute time frame. Why I draw like this? Because just to understand, you can see, you know already how the impulsive and corrective mark and everything you already know. So let us understand from how to analyze from higher time frame to lower time frame. If you see, this is 1 day time frame, right? In 1 day time frame, there is a single impulsive move and corrective move. And again you can see this is single impulsive move, corrective move, single impulsive move, corrective move, again single impulsive move. That's it, guys. In 1 day time frame, this is single, but in 1 night time frame, if you see, there are multiple impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective. This is what happening in the lower time frame, guys. This is, you have to understand how the multiple time frame work. I hope you guys understanding. You see, there are multiple time frame of 1h time frame. And again, see, in the 1h time frame, this is the impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, again impulsive move. This is what happening in the 1h time frame. But in the under the 1h time frame, there are multiple time frames like 15 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute, whatever you can take. I just take a 15 minute here just to explaining purpose. This is 15-minute time frame. If you see 15-minute, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective. See guys, why I am explaining this? Market has to make new higher high, higher low, right? But for in 1 day time frame, market has to make new higher high, higher low. But in the 1 day time frame, below the all lower time frame, there are many impulsive corrective, impulsive corrective, impulsive corrective. This is what happening in the lower time frame. Same if you see in the 15-minute time frame, you can see this is a single impulsive corrective, impulsive corrective, impulsive corrective, impulsive. See the same in the 5 minute, impulsive corrective, impulsive corrective, impulsive corrective. But see, here to here only single impulsive move. But you can see there are multiple time frame of impulsive corrective move in the lower time frame. You can see this is the 5 minute time frame. Same in the 5 minute time frame also. If 5 minute time frame, if you say only impulsive move, there are multiple impulsive corrective in the 1 minute time frame. This is what I am trying to explain you guys. So please understand, if you learn only one time frame, that means you already know about all the time frames. How it is linked, linking, just because the market respect all the time frame. See, I am really telling you guys, from 1 second time frame to 1 year, whatever the time frame you take, market respect every time frame. So you have to learn all the time frame, but you have to follow the only some time frame. You should take view from all the time frame. You can see it allows traders to see overall market trend. See, from higher time frame, you should take the market trend, and from lower time frame, you have to make your entry sure. I hope you guys understand theoretically. So let us shift to chart. There you will understand how the real multi-time frame work. I hope you guys understand. Now you can see guys, here I am going to explain you just multi-time frame analysis, not going to explain anything. The just only try to understand multi-time frame. I hope you guys are seeing now. See guys, this is a 1 day time frame. Again Nifty 50 future chart I taken. You can see this is a from here, from this low you can take. This is a single impulsive move, right? Corrective. Again impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective. Again impulsive, corrective, again impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive. This is a big correction, right? I hope you guys are understanding. Now again shift, you can see this is a impulsive move, right? This is small corrective, again impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive. Market is correcting now. Guys, just understand, everything is not going well in the market right now, because in the Middle East war is going right now. See, from here to here, impulsive and corrective move happen. Everyone saying market is correcting. Yes guys, market is correcting, because after impulsive move, market has to make reversal, right? So that is what market is going doing now. In the Middle East war is going, with that market already made higher high, so market is correcting now. I hope you guys understand multi-time, just one time frame. See, this is single, just 1 day time frame I explained. Now we are going to see 1h time frame. See guys, this is 1h time frame. Guys, we have marked 1 day time frame in a blue color, right? So I am marking 1h time frame in the white color right now. So let us understand. See, in the 1h time frame, this is impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, again impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, right? Same, the impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, again impulsive, corrective. Guys, what I told, see, in the 1 day time frame, this is only single impulsive move. But in the 1h time frame, you can see there are multiple impulsive corrective, impulsive corrective. So I hope you guys are understanding how the powerful this multi time frame analysis work. So let us complete this 1h time frame also. Again impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, again impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, small correction, impulsive, again small correction, again impulsive. You can see in the 1 day time frame, we seen that this is only single corrective move. Because of the war, market is going just to gap down opening, right? You can see, but in the 1h time frame, again impulsive, small corrective move, again impulsive move, small corrective move, again impulsive move, small corrective, impulsive, small corrective, again impulsive move is coming. So as per the 1h time frame, so still this low is a targeting low. I hope you guys understanding 1h time frame how it is work. Now we completed 1h time frame, right? So we are now going to shift to 15 minute. Why we are going to shifting to 15 minute? Just to understand how the multiple time frame work, guys. I hope you guys are seeing now. See guys, we have marked 1 day time frame in blue color, 1 h time frame in white color. So we are marking 15-minute time frame in red color. I hope you guys understand it. See guys, you can see this is impulsive move, corrective move. Again impulsive move, corrective move. Impulsive move, corrective move. Impulsive, corrective. Impulsive, corrective. Again impulsive, corrective move. Again see this is the impulsive move, corrective move. Again impulsive. Guys, just I am marking. I am not going to tell you anything right now. Just understand how the multi time frame going to work. You see, just again I am repeating. You can see from here to here, one day time frame, this is only single impulsive move, right? And again here to here in 1 time frame only small corrective move. But you can see in the 15 minute, you see how many corrective moves are there. Again there are lot of, right? Impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective. What I am trying to understand, I hope you guys are understanding. See, this is also called as fractional trading. Fractional trading means in the same time frame there are multiple time frame work. This is also called as inner circle trading. Inner circle means one circle, again in the one circle, again there is a another circle, again there is another circle. This is going infinite times. There is no limited time period. This is go infinite time frame. See guys, entire world is working same on the same concept. This even in our universe also work on the infinite time frame. See, whatever happening in the earth, it is same happening in the another planet also. It may be, just I'm giving the example. See, the market also connecting to the universe, same concept happening, guys. I hope you guys are understanding. Now let's shift to 1 minute. From 15 minute we directly shifted to 1 minute. I hope you guys are understanding. See guys, you can see in we have marked one day time frame in a blue color, 1 h time frame in a white color. Here 15 minute we didn't mark, so let's directly shift to 1 minute. You can see guys, in 1 h time frame this is single move, right? We have marking 1 minute time frame. Here you will change the color. Just a minute, I am going to change this color to green color. Okay, in 1 h time frame this is only small impulsive move, right? See, but in the 1 minute time frame, what we can see, here impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, again impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective. There are many change of character, break of structure, change of character, break of structure, change of character, break of structure. These are happening continuously because this is a lower time frame. If market has to go upside in the 1 minute time frame, so it has to make lot of break of structure, change of character, break of structure, change of character, close above, close below. There are many things, right? As we discussed in earlier chapter, there are many concepts like change above, close above, change of character, break of structure. Those all things are happening in the lower time frame. That is what I'm going to explain, guys. See, 1 day time frame only single move there will be, right? But in the 1 minute time frame there are multiple candles, right? That is what I'm trying to explain you guys. I hope you guys understand how the multi time frame analysis work, guys. This is very important. You have to practice it well. If you practice it well, you will put yourself in a right direction. See, this is a corrective move in the 1 day time frame. This is a corrective move, right? So if you identify it, we are in the corrective move. So we will only look for selling setup, right? From this supply zone, this entire order flow is unmitigated right now. So from here we are selling right now. So from here we will start to plan selling. In a 15 minute we are going in a selling side, right? So we are shifting to 1 minute change of character entry. Where is our change of character entry? Here something where somewhere here we will get the change of character, right? From where here change of character we will get, from here change of character we will get, again market come pullback, it will give the pullback. So from there you are going to enter. You can see from here market continuously giving downside move only. This supply is identified in a 1h time frame. From there we have tried to short. I hope you guys understand. This is the power of multiple time frame analysis, guys. If you understand this, so you have understand almost SMC, because SMC is mostly relied in a multi time frame analysis only. And you know guys, the market is fully dependent on the time frame. It is respect every minute time frame. Market is respect every minute time frame. Market giving respect to every minute time frame. So you have to consider every minute, every second, every time frame. But you have to follow only some time frame. There is a saying, guys, learn from everyone but follow your own. Same guys, you have to take overview of all the time frame, but you have to follow only some time frame. This is how market work, guys. You have to same again I'm telling you have to learn from everyone, but you have to follow your own. The same concept here also, you have to take overview from the all the time frame, but you have to follow some specific time frames. I hope you guys understand. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.